Our team chose the word transparency. It can start at the level of knowledge of the viewer, no knowledge, no transparency. On the other side, one can only have a clear vision if the transparency on all levels is good, from low to high. We have considered different levels of impact and engagement, from board level to the FU community as a whole, divided in operations, education, and research. We decided on 3 key elements: concretization and clarification of decision-making processes, facilitating centralized and unit-specific goal realization. Making sustainability initiatives at the FU visible, facilitating collaboration and co-learning. Stimulating the FU community to contribute to sustainability goals through engaging in interactive approaches.